This is the Woodford 55 412 stem assembly for the Woodford faucet models 65 and the 67. Will come with the rubber plunger assembly here on the end. And we'll come down to this end here, where it should have the two holes, one hole here, and then one on the opposite side as well. And then here where it connects, it'll have those internal female threads, and this flanged portion here. And we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll start with a total length of the stem. So from end to end, this stem measures right at 14.5 inches. Move that down just a little bit. Yeah, so right at 14.5 inches for the total length. And then we can get a measurement of the rubber plunger assembly. You can see there it measures right below an inch, almost right at 3/4 of an inch. And we can also measure the inside and outside diameter of this end with those female threads. So starting with an outer diameter, this one measures right above 1/2 inch, and the inside diameter measuring right at 3/4 of an inch. Or not at 3/4, right below 1/2 inch. Once again, this is the Woodford 55 412 stem assembly.